Here we are today with the 2010 Honda Odyssey SE. It's going to be an in-depth tour and review. We're going to show the engine started up, along with revving it and an exhaust clip. Let's get to it. This vehicle does not come with the smart key access system. 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with manual lumbar support, heated mirrors, and manual passenger seat adjustments. So let's go ahead and start it up. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. Fluid power steering. 5-speed automatic transmission with 2-in-1 low gears, and along with a D3. Driver 3, there you can see it there. Let's put her back into park and see how she sounds. This vehicle comes with a three-part climate zone, automatic settings, along with the rear and AC, rear lock, turn off the rear, your modes, front defrost, rear defrost, along with recycling for maximum AC. This car comes equipped with an AUX cable for the stereo and power outlet. This model does come with the rear entertainment system that they just included this year in with this SE model. Cup holders, change compartment, storage area, sunglasses compartment, garage home link system, light up mirrors. See, and it has a surround sound speaker system with compact disc changer. Sounds pretty nice. Middle fold down console. Let's go ahead and do the walk around on the vehicle. See the engine. Power doors, power rear sliding doors. Oh, so let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. See the engine. Heavy door. .5 liter VTEC V6 with 240 foot-pounds of torque at 5,000 RPMs and 244 horsepower at 5750 RPM. 24 valves, variable valve timing, 3-speed automatic transmission. Nice engine. Let's go ahead and see the rest of the vehicle. Automatic driver's side window, lock, unlock, heated mirrors, power adjusting mirrors right here. And there, right here. Power adjusting mirrors. So let's shut it up and turn it off. Rear power sliding doors, as I said earlier in the video. Rear manual bucket seats. Lots of leg room, power adjusting. Manual rear sunshade. Climate zone controls that can be locked. Rear headsets for the rear entertainment system. Remote. Controls it all right there. Ventilation vents. Same with this seat. Now this certain model is the model down from the EXL, which has a same V6 engine, but it goes down to 3 cylinders on highway, cruising on highway, for fuel economy. So let's go ahead and put up the rear third row seating. Manual. Same with this one. Now has a quite large trunk space. It can fit, with the back seats up, 4 hockey bags, 4 or 5 golf bags. Rear power outlet right here. Yeah, it has a quite spacious trunk for the even with the back row seating up. You got your maintenance bin right there. Vents. This one does not have the power closing tailgate, but that's okay. And inside, in the third row seats, they do too have a moderate space of legroom, storage, audio settings, and power outlet. The middle seat belt is released up there and is hooked in right here. Manual adjusting rear angle of the rear seat. Yeah, it's a nice van. I didn't show you before, but this vehicle does have, let's turn it on again, it has a manual parking brake. Push it in there. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. Along with the blinkers. It has intermittent wipers for adjustments. On. Mist. Misting. This van is a great family van. for a starting family and is ideal. Has a good price range. Daytime running lights. Turn sensors on the bottom. Chrome outline of the grille on the signature. Let's get radiator. Red. 16-inch alloy wheels with a Michelin 235/65 tires. Disc brakes, Honda disc brakes. Power mirror. Roof rack on the top. Tail. Nice wraparound accent lights on the back. Hitch package right there. And exhaust over here. Now, in 08, 05, this general style of model came out, and in 08 they updated the sharpness of the curves in the front hood here, going all the way back, to give it a freshened up look, opposed to the 05 later model. And they now have released in 2011 the new styling, which looks quite different with the Bion XEN headlights and the different lip on the back rear window. Just some added features to it. But personally, I like the look of this model better. This was rated really well in Consumer Reports reviews as a good family van. It has 21 mpg, and this van has 99,000 kilometers on it. Rear wiper. Rear wiper vents there. Let's go over here and take a look at this passenger side. Compartment, along with glove box. Passenger seat is quite comfortable, cloth seating. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Thanks.